Now that we've finished the design of my hubs, in this video, we're going to create the fins. But let's organize the folders first before we dive into anything. Open Items and hide the front cap. Go into the Frame folder and select the hub bodies. Tap on New Folder. Notice how all the hub bodies have been moved to a new folder. Now tap on New Folder again and name it Fins. Hide the Hubs folder. Now that our bodies are squared away, let's start modeling. Create a construction plane by selecting the front face of the frame. Tap on Add Plane in the menu and move it 10 mm backwards. Double-tap on the plane and zoom in for a comfortable modeling environment. Using the circle and starting at the origin point, start by creating a circle with an 80 mm radius and another one with a 95 mm radius. Select both circles and lock them by tapping on the lock icon. Starting from the origin point, draw a 95 mm long line and lock it. Zoom in and draw two lines, one on each side of the previously locked line. Select both lines and tap on Symmetry on the side of the screen. Select the 95 mm long line as your symmetry line. Notice how these two lines are now connected. Snap them to the smaller circle and their other endpoint to the bigger circle. Select these endpoints and define a 2.5 mm distance between them. Select the other two endpoints and define a 5 mm distance between them. Now we can delete the 90 mm long line we have created. We won't need it anymore. Let's go back to the 3D view by double-tapping on the orientation cube. Open Items and hide the construction plane. While you're in Items, open the Fins folder so new bodies will automatically be organized there. Zoom in, select the fins profile, and extrude it 140 mm until the wall. Open Items and hide the sketch plane. We won't need it. Select the fin body, tap on Color, and give it the same color as the frame. Zoom out and select your fin body again. Move the pivot point at the center of frame. If you move it to the edge, it will automatically snap to the center. Turn on Copy and rotate it 10 degrees. Repeat this 4 more times. To speed up this process, select the Fins folder from Items. Notice how all 6 fin bodies are selected now. Copy and rotate again. Repeat this process 2 more times. We have all the fins we need. Now, let's organize and unhide our bodies in Items. Rename Folder 04 to Hubs. Fins now complete, in the next lesson, we'll create the legs.